Welcome to AIME. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is 9 is to power x minus 12 into 3 is to power x plus 27 equal to 0, and we will solve this expression for this x. In order to solve this question, first we should convert this 9 as 3 square, and overall power will remain same, or overall power will x will remain same, and the other part of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should interchange the power. It means that square will replace with this x place and this x will replace with this square, and we should get this expression or this value as 3 to power x overall square and minus 12 into 3 to power x plus 27 equal to 0, and I am representing this equation as equation number 1. Now in the next step we should suppose, or I will suppose, as 3 to power x is equals to k, and now we should replace, or we will replace this 3 to power x inside the equation 1 from this k, and after replacing 3 to power x inside the equation 1 from k, we will get k square minus 12k plus 27 equal to 0, because this 3 to power x will replace with k and square will remain same. 12 will remain same, but this 3 to power x will replace with k and the other part of the equation will remain same. Now you can see that this equation is a quadratic equation and factorizable equation, because this 27 which have positive sign is a c of a quadratic equation, and this c having positive sign, it means that this 12k will break in the same sign, which is a b of the quadratic equation. So we can break this 12x as 9 is to power 9k minus 3k, because according to factorial trinomials rule, if a quadratic equation which having the c having the positive sign, then b will break in the same sign. It means that addition will perform over here. So this 12 can be break as 9 is to 9k minus 3k, and when we add these two values it will be equal to 12k, and when we multiply with these two values, the product of these two values, which is 27k square, will be equal to the product of the both of this value. So it means that this quadratic equation will break in a right way, or this quadratic equation is break in a right way. Now in the next step we should take common k from both of these values, and after taking common k from the both of these values, k minus 9 will be the remainder. Now we should take common minus 3 from both of these values, and k minus 9 will be the remainder. Now in the next step we should take common k minus 9 from the whole expression, and k minus 3 will be the remainder, and equal to 0 will remain same. Now in the next step we should take k minus 9 equal to 0 and k minus 3 equal to 0. Now we should solve one by one the values for k and then 3 to power x. So first we should solve the value for k minus 9. This minus 9 will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert in positive 9. Now as our supposition k is equal to 3 to power x, so we should replace this k with this 3 to power x, and our new expression will be equal to 3 to power x equal to 9. Now this 9 can be written as 3 square, and as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if two values having same base or their power are equal, if two values having the same basis or their bases are equal, then their power will also equal. So here we get the first value for the x. We should get the first value for the x, which is x is equal to 2, and this is the first value for the x for this expression, which is x is equal to 2. Now in the next step we should solve this expression, and this minus 3 will move to the other side of the equation, and we will get k is equal to 3, because this minus 3 will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert positive 3. Now this k will replace with 3 to power x, because from our supposition. Now we can see that they two values are equal in base, then their power are also equal, because from the basic rule of algebra, if the two bases are equal, then their power are also equal. So here we get another value for the x which is equal to 1. So here the second value for the x, which is x is equals to 1. Here we get two values for the x. First is x is equals to 2 and second is x is equals to 1 for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.